Hello, good afternoon. This is me again in Daineng. Today I'm going to show you how to do my eyebrows using this Kimuse Brow. It comes with a brow gel and the brush. It is waterproof, so long-lasting po siya. Hindi siya madaling na-erase kahit po is-swimming nyo pa. And perfect po siya for swimming and then for pawisin ng mga tao po. So, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na masyadong nagpapapawis, so perfect itong product na to.